Are you tired of losing readers because of simple writing mistakes? Whether you are crafting a social media post, sending a business email, or working on a blog, your words matter. That's where Grammarly comes in. With Grammarly, you can instantly transform your writing from average to attention grabbing, ensuring every sentence is clear, engaging, and error-free. Say goodbye to embarrassing typos and hello to confident, polished writing that stands out, which elevates your content. Grammarly is your secret weapon to writing success, and it's just a click away. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how you can use Grammarly. So first of all I have to do is open your web browser and dive into Grammarly.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So what is Grammarly? Grammarly is an EA-powered writing assistant designed to help you improve your writing by detecting and correcting grammar, spelling, punctuation, and style mistakes. It offers real-time suggestions to enhance clarity, tone, and overall readability, making your next more polished and professional. Grammarly can be used across various platforms, including web browsers, desktop applications, and mobile devices, helping users write confidently in emails, documents, social media posts, and more. So in the home page we have here how you can get started. For example, you click over here or you click over here, but let's know more information about Grammarly. So we have firstly here responsible EA that ensures your writing and reputation shine. Work with an EA writing partner that helps to find the words you need to write that tricky email to get your point across to keep your network moving. You click over sign up, it's free, and then you get started. So if we scroll down, you'll find here better writing and better results. Be perfectly professional, clear, and convincing in a few clicks, not a few hours. Then we have here the right text for the context. Get personalized suggestions based on what you are writing and who will read it. Then we have works where you work. Grammarly works across all the apps and sites you use. No copying, no pasting, and no context switching. Then we have a never go out of style. Grammarly understands both your personal style and your print style guide to help you find your voice. Then we have here this is responsible EA. Don't compromise on security. Well, we never sell your data. Provide it for advertising purposes or allow third parties to use it to train their models. So to get started, you have just to click over Get Grammarly and it's free. You will find this page. As you can see, you have just to write your email address and your password and your name. Then if you already have an account, you click over here and you write your email address and your password. Then you get started with Grammarly. So it's easy to sign up with Grammarly. Then you have to just to read this agreement and then you click over agree and sign up. You can also use other options like Google, or you can use also Facebook or Apple. Here we have a sign up. You agree to your terms and conditions and private policy, California residency, our CA privacy notice. Then I will click over agree and sign up and I will find this page. In this page we have you tell us a little about yourself. We will use your answers to help you get the most out of Grammarly. First of all, we have here most of my writing is for work or school or other projects. I will select this one, then I will click over next. We have here my other projects are related to sex. All that apply. For example, here we have hobbies, volunteer work, social networking, creative expression, professional development, and classes of workshops. For example, I will select this one, or you can select other, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page. I must right select all the apply. We have your personal communications, public posts, creative content, outreach, rich materials. We have public posts, car documents, educational materials, or others. I will click over others, then I will click over next. Once you do that, you will find this page. I write in the following apps and websites. Select all that apply. So for example, we have here Outlook, Gmail, Google Docs, and we have also here Word, Teams, LinkedIn, Slack, PowerPoint, and we have WhatsApp, Discord, Google Sheets. So this is the application that I have in my computer. Also, we have here Notes and other application. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find this homepage. Here we have some steps that you have to follow to get started. Checklist. You complete 5 out of 5 steps. So I already did that. So all I have to do is just create an account as I showed you before. Create an account, get started, and find out what you can accomplish with the power of Grammarly at your fingertips. Then we have take a quick tour. Want to see how Grammarly works? You click over here and you will find this. The Grammarly logo means, and we have how it works, ways to use Grammarly. We have here next here, and review and accept Grammarly suggestions. Then we have click on the Grammarly logo to go deeper. Then we have a pin Grammarly to browser for quick access to critical features. Then if we come back, we have here right on a popular website. Try Grammarly in one or more top websites below. So for example, here try in Gmail, try in Outlook, try in Google Docs. So to use Grammarly with Google Docs, you can just start a new document or access an existing one. Grammarly should automatically activate indicated by the icon in the top right corner of the interface. As you write, Grammarly will underline any grammar, spelling, or style issues. Simply hover over the underlined text to view suggestions and click on them to apply the corrections directly to your document. With these steps, you can easily enhance your writing in Google Docs using Grammarly. So, if we come back, we'll find here other steps, which is explore other Grammarly apps. Get suggestions from Grammarly when you write in all your favorite platforms and device. You click over here and you will find that. So you have just to install Grammarly for Windows or Chrome, or also we have iPhone and iPad, then we have Android. Then we have the last step, which is customize your experience. Add words to your dictionary and let us know your language background. So here we have your dictionary. Improve your Grammarly experience by adding words to your personal dictionary. These words will no longer be flagged as misspelling. So you add something here. For example, I will add here word. I click over assign and I will find it here. If I forget the word, I will just come back here and I will say it and I will remember it again. So Grammarly is a powerful writing assistant that goes beyond basic spell chicken. It helps you produce clear, polished, and engaging content by correcting grammar, punctuation, and style in real time. But utilizing its features, you can enhance your writing and communicate confidently, making Grammarly an essential tool for anyone looking to make a lasting impression with their words. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys.